And one more? Okay. And I'm here representing the Southern Oregon Songwriters Association. And it's been a good season here at the Farmers Market in Jacksonville. I want to especially thank TJ Elton for handling all the sound and really helping us out as musicians. He's a big friend of the musician group. And if any of you are interested in the Southern Oregon Songwriters Association, because we write songs, that's our focus and performance, let us know. So this will be my last song, and it's called The Rain. Whoa, if I lived where raindrops fell, I'd catch the rain to fill your well. Check the rain gauge every day for drops of rain to send your way. Whoa. Grow a forest and plant a tree, build a boat to sail the sea, send the boat to ride a train, to bring to you these drops of rain. Oh, oh, so for you, rains from above, bring 'em soft and warm and full of love. With the rain your thirst will cease, may it bathe your heart in peace. Whoa. Thank you so much, everybody. Next up is Gus Johnson. Stick around to hear Gus. Have a great day. That's beautiful. Thank you.